Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can boost your internet speeds on Windows 10. To begin, we're going to press Windows and R on our Windows key at the same time. From there, you want to write exactly what I've written, ncpa.cpl. It is spelled just like this, and we're going to press on OK. From there, it should bring us to here. You may have an Ethernet or a Wi-Fi. The procedure stays the same. I'm going to press on this, I'm going to right click, and I'm going to be going onto properties. From here, I have all of these. What you simply want to do is go to the configure button. So up here we have the configure button. I'm going to press on it. I'm going to go to advanced. This is all this stuff. From here, what I'm going to be doing is finding the, sorry, I don't think it's there. I think it is in drivers. No, it's actually, sorry, I have to open this up again. I'm going to come right here. I'm going to be pressing on configure. My PC is lagging as of right now. So give it a second. Alright, there we go. So I'm going to be going to advance in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it should be this one right here. Sorry, I don't think I have it, but there we go. So this really is like stuff you have to do. I can't say it in Turkish. Mine is in Turkish. So I'm just gonna go to the drivers. And what you want to do is go to update driver, search automatically for drivers, and as you can see, the best ones are already installed. From there, what I'm going to do is go to power management, uncheck this, and close it. I'm not going to uncheck this because I need this. Alongside that, I'm going to go to properties once again, and as you can see, just be sure to uncheck everything but Internet Protocol version 4. So as you can see, for you, it should look something like this. You want to uncheck everything except Internet Protocol version 4. And that's it. That is how to boost speeds on your internet. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy, make sure to like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of Growmore Tech's tech tutorials. Other than that, I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Goodbye.